What a going goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. You don't know, today we're going to be making some carrot cake. Yeah man. So I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description box below, so don't worry about it. All right, so goodies, here I have some beautiful carrots and I'm just grating these, and I'm using this side of the grater. If you have the finer side, you can use that as well, but I like to have small flakes of carrots in my carrot cake, so I'm using that side. And I've already grated about 4 carrots, and I'm going to finish grating all of these off camera and come back. Okay, goodies, so I finished grating my carrots, and here I have the rest of my ingredients. So I have some spices like my ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, 4 eggs. I have my all-purpose flour, oil. I have brown sugar, and I'm using 2 types of sugar, the brown sugar and the granulated sugar. I have baking powder and baking soda. I'm using some jam, you can use marmalade. I'm also adding some vanilla, and this is it for the ingredients. Okay, goodies, so now we're gonna mix the dry ingredients together. So here I'm adding the baking powder and the baking soda to the flour. I'm adding the sugar. I'm going to add the spices, the nutmeg and the cinnamon. I did go ahead and I added some salt. You can add a little bit of salt as well. And we're gonna just combine this. Make sure that you mix this very well. Now it's time to prepare the wet ingredients. So I have the eggs and the vanilla and the oil. So I'm just gonna beat this a little bit, not too much. You don't want to beat it too much, okay? Okay, so after you finish making your wet ingredients, we're going to pour it on the dry ingredients, and we're going to combine this very well. You might need a wooden spoon for this part because now the batter is getting thick. Okay, so goodies, I did go in and I added some raisins. This is optional. You can add raisins, you can add nuts. It's your choice, but it's optional. You don't have to. So now I'm going to add the carrots, and I'm just gonna combine this. You don't want to over mix, okay? Okay, goodies, so here I have my baking tin and I greased it. So now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees. So preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Okay, goodies, so this is the final result. Just put a toothpick in the center of your cake, and if it comes out clean, then you know it is ready. Remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so as yet. So here I have some glaze goodie. I am just going to glaze the cake. This is optional as well. And this is just butter. Yes, just a little bit of butter with honey to glaze. So you can use cream cheese. You can use whatever you like to pour over this beautiful cake. All right, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about the cake. Look inside. Look how moist this looks. It is totally amazing. Look at that. Soft and moist. All right, my good friends. Until next time, God bless you.